Welcome to our guide on sharing bets on FanDuel. Today, we'll explore everything from setting up your account to sharing those exciting bets with friends. First things first, let's ensure your FanDuel account is set up for sharing. If you haven't created an account yet, it's easy. Just follow the prompts on the app. Creating a bet slip is straightforward. Just select your wagers, and they'll automatically populate your bet slip, ready to share. Now, let's dive into how to use the share feature in the app. This step-by-step guide will ensure you're ready to share your bets without a hitch. FanDuel provides several options for sharing your bets. Whether it's through social media, messaging apps, or simply sharing a link, there's something for everyone. To make your bet sharing effective, communicate openly with your friends. Discuss your strategies and collaborate on your picks for the best outcomes. It's important to keep your privacy in check. Let's take a look at the privacy settings for shared bets and make sure you're comfortable with what's shared. Tracking your shared bets is key. We'll demonstrate how to check in on your bets and see how your picks are performing. Let's answer some frequently asked questions about sharing bets on FanDuel. We want to make sure you have all the information you need. And that wraps up our guide. By sharing bets, you can maximize your betting experience and enjoy all the fun with friends. Happy betting!